Hello, and I want to welcome you to another episode of Through Thick and Thin with my bestie, Ruthless, and I am Philomena, and we are here to discuss the problem that's on your mind. Our fans have sent us countless emails where they worry about what is happening with the rising sea levels and the excessive rainfall. We've gotten countless emails, and we're here to help you, our audience, deal with this tremendous environmental problem. Ruthless, have you come up with any solutions to this global dilemma?
Well, first, I think everybody should learn how to swim. Go to your local Y, take the classes, learn how to swim. Because not everybody knows somebody who's building an ark.
Absolutely.
And you politicians, shame on you to be so seduced by the lobbyists. You know what's happening to the sea level. We all see how our loved ones in other parts of the world, in other states, even in our own neighborhoods, how we have to deal with all these floods. We better start building our own ships because we're going to need a place to live. So I say maybe we should invest in, are they building ships with lumber anymore? Should we just say, forget all the trees already, stop with the hugging of the trees, let's build ships because we're going to have to live on the water because there's going to be floods. We're not going to have enough land. We're losing a lot of our arable land. A third of our arable land is gone.
And it's not only that, but we have tremendous climatic events. I mean, there was just recently such flooding rains in Japan that they had mudslides. I think over 1 million people were ordered to evacuate. 205 were killed in the mudslides. In our own Puerto Rico, 4,900 people were dead as a result of the hurricane and its consequences. So our viewers want to get smart and know how they're going to make it through all of these climate changes, which are disastrous. The one opportunity to save yourself is to build yourself a boat. Build yourself a wooden boat. To heck with the trees.
And we love trees. We love trees. And we know that we do need the trees because at least some of the water could go right into the soil, feed the trees. It'll delay flooding. We know how important the trees are.
So
maybe
we should use those seas of plastic bottles out there that are already like all over the ocean and make boats from the plastic bottles instead of cutting down the trees, which could hopefully help us if there's rain, reduce the greenhouse gases, yada, yada, yada. Could we maybe use all of that floating garbage to make our boats? And let's face it, don't we deserve to live on garbage? I mean, I'm just saying. We're the ones who dirtied up the planet. Maybe our new garbage boats are the way to go.
And we need to become friendlier with the ocean because that's going to be our next home.
We're mistreated.
And what about those scientists? What's that guy's name? There's this a Greenland scientist and this American scientist. I think Robertson.
Bill
Robertson. And there's this guy
Danish.
Is he
Friend,
Danish?
I think it was Danish.
Christian Schmidt or something, maybe. These guys have had mermaid sightings, and we're talking about scientists, doctors of science in oceanography, and they've seen
they're not doctoring their science. They're doctors of science.
And they have these like moments where they capture on video mermen. We have to be nice. We got to become friendly with the mermaids because they have an insight on how we could survive in the oceans. They could teach us a lot.
Those Greenlanders are so smart. You know what they did when they got the mermaid tape of the merman going like this? They stopped their oil drilling. Brilliant.
Yes.
Brilliant. So now the mermen are grateful for them to not make cocky-doody all over the ocean, and we'll take good care of them.
We gotta save the oceans. We gotta develop friendships with the mermaids and mermen. We've gotta find them. They want to avoid us. Let's see what happens. I hope we gave you a little information, something to think about.
Optimism. We can overcome this problem with the appropriate use of garbage and reaching out to mermen.
So continue to send in your questions so we could state the problem that's on your mind, and we could come up with an idea, a solution, an idea. Okay? Until next time.
See ya.